Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, we are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear some doubts you may have or answer some questions in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading, Scorpios. And if you are interested in a personal reading, Scorpios, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have 5 of Cups in reverse, 10 of Wands and Lovers. So Scorpios, in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone having a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders. You need to do many things. You have a lot of burdens. You are doing your best. You are trying really hard. So it may be your situation in career or it may be your situation in this relationship. So you have a lot of burdens and you need a lot of focus, attention, and you want to do things the right way. And maybe you have a certain way of handling your situation. Maybe you have certain beliefs or ideals and you try to stick to your rules, and that makes you do things the hard way and you are overburdening yourself. So you want to relax yourself but you are unable to because you have a lot of things on your shoulders and you need to take care of it. It may be about your personal life or your career situation. And in this relationship with this person you love, you have a beautiful connection. Circumstances are good. You feel really happy to be here. You have a beautiful understanding, mutual love, respect, and caring may be there. So you are trying to find the balance and you are trying to build a harmonious relationship with each other. Circumstances are good. You have a great understanding. You spend good time. You spend a quality time with each other and you love each other and you are wishing for beautiful things for this love, for this connection. And maybe if you are in a long distance relationship, Scorpios, this person you love, they are coming to see you. So they are visiting you after a long time. Or if you are together, if you stay close by and if you meet often, maybe there is some happy news waiting. Maybe this person is coming to tell you something important. It may be a proposal for marriage, for commitment. Something good is coming to you. It may be a good news or it may be this person themselves coming to you. Or if you are someone in separation, maybe it may be your past person. They are coming back for reconciliation. So something good is happening today in your relationship, Scorpios. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's Moon in reverse. So in your connection, maybe there may be certain things that are not clear for you. You may feel a little confused or stressed because you do not have clarity about something. So, if you want to make the right choice today, maybe you should postpone your decisions. Do not make any important decisions today. Even though if this person is coming to propose to you or they want a committed relationship with you, you must take your time, think, and then decide, Scorpios. That is what I see with these cards. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We picked one card and it is Strength in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe you are feeling less cheerful. Maybe you are tired because you are overburdened, or you have a lot of things to do, and the efforts you are making, tremendous efforts, are making you tired. Or for some of you, it may be some sickness on your part. That may be the reason for you feeling this way today, Scorpios. So you are burdening yourself. You need to relieve yourself, relax, and do whatever you need to do at your own pace. Do not pressure yourself too much. So that is the energy here with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had, or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you, and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, To the Sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.